The problem is called valid palindrome. A phrase is a palindrome if, after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string S, return true if it is palindrome or false otherwise. So we
That's a
can
pseudocode.
do create a variable to store new str, since we're gonna have to like remove every single character, and then we have to remove non-alphanumerical characters from str, add them to new str. Yeah, now that we have that, we have to do, I remember you showed me this one, but the -1 or the
Yes.
::-1, where
Yeah.
this thing reverses the string. And then from here, we can just compare new str to whatever
The
this will give.
reverses.
Yeah, the reverse. And if it's the same, we're good. If it's not, we're not good. All right, so now how do we remove alphanumerical characters from str and add them to a new string? So
Oh, we got the function that we need. It's called isAlpha.
how do we make everything to lowercase?
I'm
Yeah,
trying to
lower,
think.
lower. So we have the str to lower. We have to loop through it now, right? Yeah?
I was
Okay.
thinking you could just do just for I and str.
Oh,
You'll loop through each thing.
all right.
I know what I
So
was saying.
is alpha. I'm not sure this should work. Maybe?
Oh, you're concatenating it.
Exactly, exactly,
I like
exactly.
that.
All right, let's see if this works. Oh, str.
Oh, it's because that str, that's not the, I
Oh,
think it's
it's
called S.
S. It's S. Oh, my bad,
Yeah.
my bad.
And then you gotta change the loop now.
Let's see, let's see. Did
Hmm.
we just print A? Oh, you know what it
Oh,
is?
oh, can you do plus equals I?
New str. I
I
don't
know,
think plus equals I. Is it? I think so. Let me see.
because that's technically what you're doing right there.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
But
All
that's
right.
not
Yeah,
lowercase.
exactly. That was
That's
gonna
not.
say it's not lowercase.
Oh, I got it. Just put the dot lower, I dot lower,
Okay, yeah, yeah, I get
right
you, I
there.
get you. Yeah, yeah. It does
All right,
work,
all right,
boy.
all
It
right,
does
all right, all
work.
right, all right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
All right.
what do the other test cases say?
Mm,
Is it like, no, I mean, like,
no,
what do
yeah, I
we
got
have
you,
on
got
the
you.
output?
I got race car, and we
Nothing.
print out nothing. All
Yeah.
right, okay.
Okay, cool.
I'm worried
Reversing.
about numbers though, like because we do letters, but what about numbers?
That's what the function does already.
But this is alpha. Is it? Does alpha check for numbers? No, it just goes through A through C. Because I'm not sure. Oh, we can do is digit. All right, like this should work. All right, it does work, and I think this thing covers the digits. Yeah.
I like that.
All right, bad bet, bad bet. Now we check if neo str equals ustr -1.
Beautiful. Life is
Like
beautiful.
that. Life is beautiful. Is it? Is it?
It might be. Let's see.
Life is beautiful, baby. Life is
Life
beautiful.
is beautiful. Hey,
Life
wait,
is
maybe
beautiful.
not
Oh,
yet.
wait,
Maybe
wait,
not
wait,
yet.
wait, wait, wait.
Can life
Submit,
be
submit,
beautiful? Let's
submit.
go. Life is beautiful,
Life is
baby.
beautiful. Life is beautiful. Yes, sir.
Life is
Yes, sir.
beautiful. Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
That's what we're
Damn, that
talking
was
about.
nice. Woo. You want to go over it and explain it a
Yeah,
little bit?
I
All
can
right.
explain. I can explain.
Yeah, all right, go for it. Go for it.
So we created a variable, an empty string that's going to store the new letters that are coming through. On
Uh-huh.
line 10, we're looping through the string S. So for I and S, we're looping through each character. If that character is alpha, if that equals true, then that means it's just a letter. So now we know to add it to the new str on line 8
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
because we only want letters in that new str.
Yes,
Or
sir.
if I dot is digit is true, that character is a digit, then add it as well because we also want to use digits.
Yep,
So
yep.
after it loops through everything, every character in the string, and it checks each character, then now we have all the characters in the new string. Now we need to compare that string and the same string just backwards in reverse. So on line 14, we're comparing that string equal to that string in reverse. And that little colon, -1 little code right there, that's just an easier way of saying the reverse version of that.
Mm-hmm.
So if the normal string and then the reverse version, if they both equal the same, then that means that's a valid palindrome. If not, then you return false.
Yes, sir.
Do you want
Yeah.
to add anything to it?
No, no, you pretty much explained everything.
All
Yeah.
right.
Yes, sir.